So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, we're going to scroll down till we find media features. You want to expand this. And we should now be seeing Windows Media Player. We're going to uninstall it. So you just want to untick the box and then click on yes. And then click on OK. It's now going to start applying the changes. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're going to head over to search again and type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. You want to expand media features again. We're now going to tick the box to reinstall Windows Media Legacy. And then click on OK. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.